I have great news for you, and you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 extremely weird but legal ways to make $8,000 in a month. Yes, so are you looking for ways to make more extra money? Guys, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 extremely weird but legal ways to make money. Yes, so some of the ways I'm going to be sharing in this video are actually a little bit strange. But guess what? They will work. Number 5 will actually shock you. So stick around till the end. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate you all from the depth of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm a wife. I'm based here in California. I'm a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share all things money. It's all about it's the money channel. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look, and I will be your magnifying glass. On this channel, I'm going to show you exactly where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. Trust me. In this video, let's just go ahead and come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's jump right in. So the first way I'm going to be sharing with you a weird but legal way to make money is number 1. Do you know that you can get paid to sleep? Hey, do you ever just lay there and wish that you could get paid to sleep? Guess what? It turns out that you can. It turns out that you can actually get paid to sleep. Yes. So guys, companies actually pay people to participate in sleep studies, which is the ultimate passive income. It means that you can get paid just to catch some extra sleep. It brings in money for you while you improve your health and your wellness. You can also participate in sleep studies through local clinics to make more money sleeping. So go ahead and check local message boards and university studies for paid sleep opportunities. Yes, so another way to make money is to work as a mattress tester. Yes, so so guys, sleepjunkie.com is a leading online source for people who love sleep. This company offers mattress guides, sleep product reviews, and occasional paid opportunities. In June 2021, this company was actually searching for a sleeping beauty to contest and critique top-rated mattress companies. And here is how it works. Now, the company sends the lucky candidates 3 mattresses over a 2-month period. So Sleeping Beauty's your job is to test all the 3 mattresses and provide insights about sleep quality and comfort level, among other things. Now, at the end of the testing period, the Sleeping Beauty, you will walk away with one of the mattresses, and which is $1,500 value, and you also receive $3,000 to sleep. You will receive $3,000 to sleep, guys. So talk about a dream job. Now, another weird way to make money is to be a professional eater. I'm telling you, do you love food? Who does not even love food? See, you can actually get paid to eat and eat a lot. So guys, check out the Major League Eating website where you can eat yourself silly and hopefully win some big cash prizes. So just remember to practice safety when attempting to eat large amounts of food fast, so that you don't end up hurting yourself or negatively impacting your health. There's such a concept as too much of a good thing, even with food. Yes, so another weird way to make money is to be somebody's friend. Yes, so it's another way to cater to the lonely crowd is to be someone's friend for a few hours. There are sites that you can go and be a friend to rent. They will rent you as a friend and you get paid for it. One of those websites are rentafriend.com. Yes. So you can go to rentafriend.com. Just like it sounds, it allows people to rent friends. All you need to do is simply create a profile on rentafriend.com and connect with other people in need of companionship. You can also get paid to visit comedy clubs, go bowling, visit the beach, or just hang out in a coffee shop and lend someone your ear. Yes, so and another way to make money is to be a human guinea pig. Yes, and for those of you who are willing to put yourself on the line for cash, you could make money as a human guinea pig. It essentially involves partnering with research groups, participating in trials and experiments, and getting paid to try a certain study or medicine. So just make sure that you think about what you get involved with ahead of time to avoid putting yourself in harm's way. Most paid studies are relatively safe, but of course it always pays to assess the risk before any kind of experiments or tests. So are you ready for the shocker? Fasten your seatbelts, guys, because things are about to change from this end. Close your eyes, open your ears. No, open your ears. Okay, going. This is gonna shock you guys. gone. Okay guys, do you know that you can sell pictures of your feet? I'm not joking. I'm not kidding you. And the website to do this is feetfinder.com. Yes, so do you know that somebody has made $22,000 on feetfinder.com selling pictures of feet? Pictures. So there's really no limit to how much money that you can make selling your feet pictures. Yes. Yeah, like I said, a seller actually made $22,000 in 1 month selling feet pictures on feetfinder.com. While selling feet pictures can be a quite easy side hustle, providing a decent income for the work involved relatively quickly, and it's important to know that it still requires dedication and efforts on your part. So Feetfinder has actually paid out models millions of dollars, confirming its legitimacy and showing that sellers are making a lot of sales. How do you get started on feetfinder.com? Sign up for an account on Feetfinder. They will ask you for some basic personal information and require you to submit a photo of your ID card. This is actually this measure is in place to prevent minors from signing up from Feetfinder. Be rest assured that this Feetfinder never publishes any information shared during the sign-up processes. Upload 5 to 10 free feet pictures to your profile to get buyers interested. The free images can be teasing but not too revealing. Additionally, upload another 10 to 15 feet pictures or albums for a price. This pricing strategy actually serves as a good starting point. If the pictures at the current price sell well, you can consider raising your prices. Another way is to optimize your profile by adding a high quality profile image and a teasing bio. These additions will actually help attract potential buyers and make your profile more appealing. Another thing to do is to check your inbox multiple times a day and respond promptly to messages from potential buyers. So try to build a relationship with them and learn what type of feet pictures they prefer. So I would advise you to also know your boundaries, because while being flirty and friendly, it's essential to set clear boundaries. Yes, so when you're on the platform, just to avoid stories that touch, and avoid in person, avoid personal home visits or physical visits with the clients. Yes, so try to keep yourself safe. It's a weird world that we are right now. Imagine people buying pictures of feet. They want to see the pictures of the feet. I can never get it. I think it's crazy. But like I said, I'm sharing 5 weird ways to make money. From the comfort of your home. If you have enjoyed this video, like this video, share this video with your friends, tell a friend. And if you're here to join the family, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel now. Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? I'm working for you guys day and night every single time. So go ahead and join the family, like this video, and tell a friend to tell a friend. In my next video, I'm also going to be sharing with you interesting ways to make money that no one is talking about and no one is willing to share with you guys. Yes, so make sure that you stay connected, stay tuned to this channel. Turn on the notification bells, because I'm going to be sharing all of the juicy details with you. It's your girl Maria. I don't hoard information. I don't even know how to hoard information. So guys, I will catch you in my next video, but till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. All right guys, take care of yourselves. I love you all. Bye for now.